Hey, welcome back. Before we begin, just take a slow breathe in and out. Let yourself settle for a moment. Now let's gently explore something together. What is telepathy, really? Now, what movies show, not what social media exaggerates, but what it actually means in a grounded, honest way. When most people hear the word telepathy, they imagine something dramatic, like reading someone's exact thoughts, word for word, instantly. But let me ask you something. Have you ever thought of a friend and suddenly they messaged you? Or felt someone's mood the moment they walked into a room without them saying anything? That's right there is where the conversation begins. Not as magic, but as human sensitivity. The myth. Let's start with the myths. Telepathy is often described as a superpower, instant mind reading, total control, almost like science fiction. And while that idea is fascinating, it can also be misleading because when expectations are unrealistic, two things happen. People either blindly believe everything or they completely dismiss the idea. And in both cases, we stop exploring what's actually possible. So, in this course, we take a different path, not blind belief and not complete rejection, but curiosity with awareness. The science. Now, let's look at what science does. There is no strong, widely accepted scientific proof that humans can literally read thoughts like a book, but there is a strong evidence for something closely related. Your brain is constantly reading micro expressions, detecting tone shifts, interpreting body language, picking up emotional signals. All of this happens often below conscious awareness. This is why sometimes you just know something without knowing how. It's not magic. It's your brain processing subtle information incredibly fast. There's also research in neuroscience about mirror neurons helping you feel what others feel, brainwave synchronization during deep connection, intuition as rapid pattern recognition. So while mind reading in the sci fi sense isn't proven, deep human perception absolutely is the possibility. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Between myth and science, there's a space of possibility. And that's exactly where we are working in this course. We are not trying to turn you into a superhero, we are helping you sharpen your awareness, deepen your intuition, improve your ability to read and sense others, and explore structured exercises that feel like telepathic connection. Over time, something shifts. Communication becomes smoother. You start predicting responses more accurately. You feel more connected without needing words. And for many people, that feels like telepathy. Let's make this personal. Now, I want to ask you something. Right now, as you are listening to me, what are you feeling? Curious, skeptical, excited? Whatever it is, just notice it, because this awareness of your own thoughts and emotions is the foundation of everything we are building here. So, instead of asking, is telepathy real or not, let's ask a better question. How deeply can I understand and connect with another human mind? Because that is where real transformation happens, and you are already on that path. In the next lesson, we'll explore the history of telepathy from ancient practices to modern experiments. And you might be surprised how long humans have been curious about this. I'll see you there.